Imagine biting into a crispy golden potato wedge, its exterior perfectly seasoned, crackling with each bite. The inside, a delightful contrast, is tender, fluffy, and steaming hot, a comforting taste of home. What if these aren't just any potato wedges, but those reminiscent of the ones from McDonald's? Yes, those addictive, mouth-watering wedges you can now create right in your kitchen. The first step in this culinary journey is to choose the right potatoes. Go for russet potatoes, known for their starchy content and ideal for achieving that fluffy interior. Wash and scrub them well. There's no need to peel them, as the skin adds a rustic charm and a bit of crunch. Next, slice each potato in half lengthwise. Then cut each half into long wedges, making sure they're of the same size for even cooking. Now it's time to prepare the magic seasoning. In a large bowl, combine 2 tablespoons of olive oil, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of onion powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of paprika, and salt and pepper to taste. Stir this mixture well. Add the potato wedges to the bowl and gently toss them until they're fully coated with the seasoning. The oil not only helps the spices stick to the potatoes, but also gives them a beautiful golden color when baked. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Arrange the potato wedges on a baking tray lined with parchment paper, making sure they're not overlapping. This allows for even heat distribution, ensuring all wedges cook perfectly. Bake the potato wedges for about 25 to 30 minutes, or until they're golden brown and crispy. Halfway through, flip them over to ensure they're evenly cooked and crisped on all sides. Once done, remove the wedges from the oven and let them cool slightly. Sprinkle with a little more salt if desired, and there you have it, your homemade McDonald's-style potato wedges. To recap, start with good quality russet potatoes, cut into even wedges. Prepare a flavorful seasoning with olive oil and spices and coat the wedges well. Bake in a preheated oven, flipping halfway through to ensure even cooking. And voila! Serve up your delicious golden crispy potato wedges. Remember, the key to perfect potato wedges lies in the details. The right type of potato, even cutting, thorough seasoning, and careful baking. And the best part, you can customize the seasoning to your liking. Add a dash of cayenne for a spicy kick, or some dried herbs for an extra flavor punch. The possibilities are endless. So go ahead and enjoy these irresistible McDonald's-style potato wedges right from the comfort of your home.